back, guys. So today I'm here with Beauty Forever. It's the same packaging as usual. You know, there's a drawstring bag which is branded, and then the box inside. All right, so there's our wig, which we're gonna get into. Oh, I got a nice little goodie bag. I got another pair of these gorgeous press-ons. The shape, listen, this is the second time they're sending some press-ons like this. It's so nice. So that's that. Then I got a pair of HD wig caps. Also a pattern elastic band. I got this information card, okay, which has, like, you know, information about their coupon and deals and stuff. I got this. I got a Beauty Forever elastic headband. Are you guys seeing this? Yeah, so I got that, and then I also got another pair of wig caps. So that's it for all the goodies. So this is today's wig, guys. We have this gorgeous water wave wig. So what this is a 13x4 pre-everything glueless wig, guys. Now this is a pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-baby haired wig, and it's very easy to install. It's very beginner friendly. This is how it looks in the hairline, very realistic, and it's a HD lace. As I said, everything is already pre-done, so you don't have to worry about customizing anything yourself or bringing it to the salon. It's very natural looking. It has these portions on the ear, like at the ear portion, where it's easy to secure, so you won't have the issue where it's like flabbing in that area. So it's basically like tapes to help the size of the wig to stay secure on your head. Then also I got like this elastic band that you can go ahead and install on the inside of the cap for security. So you put it in this portion here, and then they made sure to send extra tapes, so you know when these wear out on the cap, you can go ahead and you have more to spare. So I think that's really good. There is a non-slip strip in the back of the cap for more security, adjustable straps in the cap, and there's a total, well, there's just one comb in here, and this is to keep the back of the wig cap secure on your head, and it's a 1B color. So I think that's really nice. All the specifications will be in the description box as usual. So yeah, that's how it looks. It feels really nice and soft. Let's go ahead and get into this very easy, beginner friendly glueless wig install. So I went ahead and adjusted the elastic band on the inside, and the elastic band has non-slip silicone as well, which is great for security. So I'm just gonna go ahead, you can adjust this to how loose or tight you want it to be. So I'm just gonna go ahead and slip this onto my head. Looks pretty good. It looks really good. It's very secure. Let's do a shape test before we move further with anything. We're not even going to secure the ear tabs, I say. I'm gonna show you how secure this is. So if you look closely, this is how the hairline looks, and of course you're seeing the tapes on the side, which I'll install in a few. There is a little bit of casting in the very front of the wig, so what I'm gonna do is just remove that bit of lace, because it has absolutely no hair in that portion. So I'm just gonna be very careful and cut away, you know, the piece that is still very casty. And I'm wearing very minimal makeup for this look, which I am loving. Like, it's mostly like a powdered vibe, something very minimalistic. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is remove the tape, well, attach the tape to the side, and it's transparent, so you know you won't be able to tell. You just press that in, and that leaves the ear portion very secure, and that's how that looks. And it's so strong, like Like, I don't know if you guys realize, but it literally gave me a lift in this portion. So discreet. I love it. So let's do the next side. So you want to press that in just like the next side, and that's how we're looking. What I'm gonna do is, there's just a teeny bit of cast like at the very edge. I'm just gonna use my face powder to eliminate that cast. This is a very easy fix, very easy fix. And I just get my brush and I just, you know, tap that in just at the very edge. And this is so easy and beginner friendly. That's how you eliminate that cast. And I tell you, this is so secure. Like the wig, these upgraded glueless 13x4 glueless wigs are winning. First it was closure, now they took it all the way and made it and applied that glueless feature to a full-on lace front. That's just amazing, because look at that. That is flawless. Love it. So we're gonna actually do like an updo vibe today. I just kind of want to show you guys that you are able to do, like, you can go ahead and style your hair like you would regularly do, just as if when you go ahead and you do a glue install. I'm gonna get my elastic band just to keep the wig, the hairline in place, just in case I tug too hard on it.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, driven in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah.
I love doing this like bun, this messy bow bun. Anyway, so let me go ahead and remove the elastic. I like the messy vibe going on with it. This is how it looks. And just so you guys know that I definitely didn't apply anything. It's very much glueless, no product. The only thing on it is are the tapes on the side. But yeah, that's how we're looking. That's how we're looking. These curls are nice and, like, you know, not too uniform. I love the look of that. Like, it's just a fun, cute, carefree look. You got options. You could style this however you wish, and I love that for us, like, with it being glueless, you know. Love that, absolutely love that. So yeah, but I actually ultimately want to wear it with, you know, just a nice center part. I just wanted to show you guys that you could go ahead and feel free to style this wig, so do what you please. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, have it down in that center part vibe. So just to remind you guys, feel free to go ahead and part this anywhere that you please. You could get a nice deep side part from it. You know, if you want to do that deep side vibe, like, you totally can. You know, if you want to do a braided look, you can.
I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours.
So there is shedding a little bit more than I would like, so I hope that can be adjusted over time. But just so you guys know, yeah, I got some strands from it. So you see, there is shedding. And but I do love the density. Like, it's nice and full. You could go ahead and rock it just as is. Like, this is so cute. Like, I really don't want to get it wet. Like, it looks perfect. But just to show you guys even more versatility, I'm gonna get it wet so you guys can see how it wears down. So I'm gonna get my spray bottle with water. I'm not gonna get it super drenched though. That's not the vibe I'm going for. Just want just enough for that nice defined vibe. There is that. That's how it looks. Beautiful, right? Shout out to Beauty Forever for another gorgeous wig. if you guys are interested in this wig today, I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to it in my description box, so go ahead, check that out. Also, all the specifications will be listed. Any discount code or deal, sale, or anything like that that's going on right now, that will be noted as well. That's it for today's wig look. Yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go wig up with yourself.
Turning up on my